In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Mercury Bank account in 2025, following a clear step-by-step process. Opening a Mercury Bank account is a straightforward task, particularly for business banking services, and I'll guide you through each phase to ensure you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by visiting the Mercury website. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Open Account, specifically designated for business banking. This is your starting point. Clicking this button will lead you to the initial sign-up form. Here, your task is to input basic personal information, your name, your business email, and a secure password of your choosing. Remember to note down your password somewhere safe, as you'll need it along the way. After entering your personal credentials, it's time to fill in the necessary details about your business. These could include your company's name, industry type, and possibly specific information related to your business operations. Providing accurate data here is crucial because it'll not only streamline your application process, but also help Mercury understand how best they can serve your business needs. Next, you'll be required to upload some essential documents. Typically, these include your business formation papers and identification documents. It's a good idea to have these documents handy before starting and ensure they are clear and legible to avoid any delays in processing your application. If your business is operated outside of the United States or if you're applying as a non-US entity, Mercury requires proof of US operations or a US address. This might include documents like utility bills or leasing agreements validating your business presence within the United States. Gathering this proof in advance can save you time and aid in seamlessly advancing your application. Once your documents are uploaded and your information double-checked for accuracy, you can proceed to submit your application. This step is essentially a review phase where Mercury will consider the documents and information provided. It's worth mentioning that this review process may take a few business days, so a bit of patience is essential while Mercury ensures everything is in order. Upon approval of your application, congrats! You will gain access to a range of banking services tailored for your business. This suite of services will likely include a business checking account, a savings account, and possibly virtual cards. Additionally, you'll have options for debit and credit cards, as well as the ability to send and receive wire transfers, tools that can significantly facilitate your business transactions. By carefully following these steps, you're all set to open and manage your Mercury Bank account effectively. Take advantage of the features Mercury offers to enhance your business operations and streamline your financial dealings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.